Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2008 Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A universal oil pan drain plug wrench, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, cup type oil filter wrench, flat tip screwdriver, funnel, my engine oil drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. An engine oil filter, 4 quarts of 530 conventional engine oil, and 1 can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. So first we're going to be opening up my oil filler cap. Oh, it's really tight. So I'm going to use this plier just to get it started. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to be putting in my funnel. Now we're going to go underneath the vehicle. So I'm going to be removing this engine oil pan drain plug. I'm going to be putting back my engine oil drain plug. The gasket is stuck on the pan. Just leave it, reuse it. Nothing wrong with using the old washer or gasket. Okay, so now we're going to be removing the engine oil filter. I'm going to be using a cup type oil filter wrench to unscrew the filter. So I'm going to be putting on my filter. First I'm going to get some of this oil and I'm going to be putting it on my filter on the rubber seal. So that way when you tighten it up it just slides on. So now we're going to be checking the block side. Make sure there's no rubber seal stuck onto the block. If there is, just remove it. So on this one there's no seal stuck on it, so I'm just going to wipe it down. I'm going to go screw on my filter. So now I'm going to be adding in my engine oil. So I'm going to be adding a can of MOA. So I'm going to be removing my funnel. Now I'm going to be putting on my oil filler cap. Screw it on, make it real tight. You don't want this thing vibrating loose. So I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to start it up. So I'm going to let it run for a little while. Okay, that should be good enough. You can turn them off. Okay, so we're going to be checking the oil level. The dipstick is in the front of the engine, so I'm going to be pulling it out, wiping it down, putting it back in, pulling it out, and check the level. Perfect, right up to the full mark. So that's how you change an engine oil and an oil filter. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.